East Africa Motorcycle Adventure.
This is Mambaya, and it seems to be like a bike rally or a bike protest. Yeah, they all ride this KL 150s. Some of them are really done up well, spotlights and LEDs and yeah. And then as you can see, there's like 3-4 on the bike. Welcome to Africa. Some helmets, some don't. Yeah. Tanzania! Yeah, just looking forward to the rest of the trip up north. All these trucks, as you can see there. Yeah, they just ride and own the road. Like, yeah. Anyway, that's it. Just had some beautiful chips from the chip shop, yeah. It's 1,000 Tanzanian shillings, 6 rand. Just hand it to you in a bag. That's all good. Chat soon.
Morning. It's day 31 and been officially on the road for a month, and I'm currently in a town called Mbeya. So I travelled from Lake Victoria, which was just below Mzuzu's Nankata Bay. I went up past Livingstonia and across the border into Tanzania, and now I'm staying at the Karibuni Center, camping in a town called Mbeya. Yeah, and I've been here trying to look for a tire. A South African guy who I bumped into was kind enough to take me to a friend and put me in contact with another guy in Kenya for a tire. My tire's probably got another 2,000 kilometers at the most to cover. And then it's sort of had its day, so instead I've got hold of Dennis, and he says as we speak my tyre is on a bus from Nairobi to Mbeya. So I ordered it on Monday. Today's Wednesday. When I spoke to him yesterday, he said it will be here Thursday midnight, so I'll pick it up on Friday morning, and then yeah, get out of this town, because as you can see I'm in the tent and it's raining, so I haven't been doing much the past 3 days other than just walking around town. There isn't much to see. I managed to get a sticker from Tanzania. It took me almost 2 days. There's just no stickers in Tanzania for my bike, just a small flag. So the lady who owns a shop in town stocks about 50% South African goods. Walked in there and she got me a sticker made up for free. Yeah, but I did buy some salty cracks and Cadbury chocolates, and I'm gonna have some wheat bix this morning, instead of the usual 4 slices of toast with 2 eggs and coffee, I'm just waiting for the rain to stop so I can go out to the restaurant. Yeah, so it's sort of the waiting game today and tomorrow, and then I want to leave on Friday. Head north to Ringa, which is about 300 kilometers, and the whole journey up until Rwanda is about 1,300 kilometers, which I anticipate to cover in maybe 5 days, 4 or 5 days. I know the condition of the road, hence I want to get the tyre, get it fitted, and then carry my current tyre as a spare, which has got some thread left. So this is sort of the setup in the tent. Got the helmet, got my kit, and then here's basically my tank bag at the bottom of my feet, electronics, boots outside, and then my clothing bag, and then this is my backpack, water, bladder, and this bag is where I carry all my extra fuel. Yeah, so that's about it, hey? So I'll send the next update once I'm on the road again, and yeah, hopefully it's a good one. I'm sure it will be. Have a good day. Chat to you soon. Bye bye now.
How's it, guys? It's day 31, I believe, 2nd of Feb, and I'm staying the night at a Catholic church, just for the last night before my tyre arrives. So tomorrow I'll fit my tyre, pick it up early morning. It's on its way from Dar es Salaam, so I'm just having a quick bite of a local restaurant here, chicken, chips and salad. So it's pretty good. Tastes good. So it's like a buffet, local restaurant. Right, it's nice with the bar that side. So might go for some beers later. Cool. Chat soon. Yeah, it's still the town of Mbeya. Yeah, last day. It's been a long week, but it's been good. Cool. Cheers. How's it, guys? It's been a while. How you doing? It's day 33 or 34, I think. This is the first time that I'm riding since I left Mbeya, that I stayed for a week. So yeah, as you can see, I've got the new fishing outfit. So I got my tire changed at Mbeya for the new meters. It's looking good. It's gonna last me all the way. So I got the spare, and yeah, I had some lacquer rain now, so the suit is good. I feel dry. That other outfit of mine didn't work, so I'm doing this road today towards Ringa. It's a 300 and odd kilometer trip, and I've just stopped for something to eat. So this is sort of the typical setup you get when they prepare food. So what I've ordered was some chips and a roll. They do chicken. They normally do the eggs with the chips, like in a bowl. But yeah, this is sort of your little restaurant setup. You know, little shop selling beers, Coke, and then Yeah, chips. And she's doing me chips. She's doing me chips. So I'm just gonna sit down and have a meal rather than standing. I don't know what this town's called, but I'll soon find out. Cool. I'm gonna eat. Chat to you soon. Bye bye. Hello there. Day 34, and I stayed the night at the big barn farm just before Iringa, and today I'm doing a 265 kilometer from my last stay to Dodoma. So far the road's been absolutely amazing, super hot. Yeah, so it's been a good ride. Let me show you on the map. So I went from here to Iringa, and I'm about here somewhere close to Dodoma. This is a pretty view from what I think is the typical Tanzania Serengeti. Yeah, it's amazing. It's super amazing. It's all this baobab trees. They're just everywhere, and they're so beautiful. And it shows, you can just see people farming, and it's green, and yeah, they haven't had rain for some time, so it's supposed to be rainy season. So I might push on to the next stop, which is from Dodoma, is up here. That's a 227 kilometer stretch, but I don't know the condition of that road, to Singida. Yeah, it's beautiful, sure, really beautiful. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Chat to you soon. Have a good day. Bye now.